In this video, I'll show you how to embroider blush. To embroider blush, take about an arm's length of pink yarn and thread it through a tapestry needle. So now stick your needle somewhere off to the side of your piece and pull it out where you want the left edge of the right blush to be. I want it to be right under this eye, one round down. So here it goes. And pull until you have about a 6-inch yarn tail left. Now I'm going to make my blush just 1 stitch wide, so I'm going to look for the next hole to make this blush look like it's under the eye. And then I'm going to pull the needle out where I want the left edge of the left blush to be. So I'm going to put it over here, making sure that it's only 1 round below the eye and in line with the other blush. I'm going to pull tight, not too tight, because I don't want this yarn to get sucked into the piece. And now I'm going to define the right edge of the left blush by sticking the needle in 1 stitch over. And now I'm going to pull the needle out of my penguin where it originally went into. So where the 6-inch yarn tail is. And pull that tight, not too tight though. Okay, great. Now we're going to tie a knot with both the yarn tails and then thread the needle with the second yarn tail as well. Trim the longer of the 2 yarn tails to make this a little more manageable, and then stick the needle into the same hole that the yarn tails are coming out of and pull the needle out on some other side of the piece so that the yarn tails get stuck in the stuffing inside. And ta-da! Okay, last step. We're gonna trim these yarn tails and then as close as possible to the piece. And then, since you can still see them, just massage the piece until they get sucked into the piece. And now we've got blush.